Ideally, it would be perfect if you can make your apartment look like this. But it's not quite practical or appealing to look at all day. In today's episode, we're going to show you our top 7 tips to help diffuse the sound in your apartment. Let's begin! Sound travels and bounces off hard surfaces. That's why if you have an empty room, it tends to sound louder than a room filled with furniture and accessories. So by having soft materials, it can help absorb much of that sound bouncing around your apartment. The first thing you can do is add some furniture like a couch, a bookshelf, or a buffet table. Big furniture like these can help absorb some of the sound. And for extra sound dampening, you can insert a thick piece of foam between the furniture and the wall. The next thing you'll want to do is cover your bare walls. Try covering them with a rug or a canvas print. What we did here is add some sound dampening foam behind the canvas to act as an extra sound absorber. If you don't have the sound foams, you can try making your own sound dampening canvas with some cheap towels from your local thrift shop. Another area where sound can escape is through the windows, most especially if your apartment has single pane windows. If you have thick, heavy drapes, those would be perfect. If you're like me and you don't have them, try hanging a rug or a blanket as a temporary fix. And just like the windows, the doors are another area where sound can escape. This is where you find just how valuable those blankets and rugs can really be. Try hanging those up. If your front door has a gap on the bottom, you can get a door sweep. This not only helps in reducing the sound coming out, but it can help reduce the amount of heat or cool going out the door, saving on your electric bill. Another alternative to the door sweep is to have a door draft stopper. You can click the link right here to see how you can make your own DIY door draft stopper. And last but not least, if your apartment has hardwood floors, simply getting a thick rug can help absorb any sound. What was your favorite tip? Comment down below and let us know. Have another idea for sound dampening? Share your tip. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.